This is Ray Bradbury, for me the most evocative, the most persuasive of the science fiction writers. He has gone to space, he has lived in space, in his fertile imagination, off and on, since he was a boy of 9. Is this the way that you wrote the script? I think it is, Ray Bradbury.
Yes, and a lot of other people before me. Jules Verne and H.G. Wells, the great-uncles and grandfathers of all of us. When I was down in Houston a few years ago, I discovered in meeting the astronauts that they had read Jules Verne, they had read H.G. Wells, and in a few cases they had read some of my work, which made me feel very good at the time.
But it is astonishing, really, because they are following a script that seems to have been written by various writers over a period of the last half-century.
Yes, well, I look upon the function of the science fiction writer as being the romantic who starts things in motion, and the astronauts are the actors who come along and flesh it out and put bones inside the dream.